everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Dana here. If you're new, I'm all about helping you grow your online business. So this video today is going to be short and sweet. I wanted to give you guys the absolute transparent truth about passive income. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel as I put out new videos every Thursday. You see passive income everywhere, which basically means you don't have to do a lot to earn money. You can earn money in your sleep. And part of that is true, but let's talk about the nitty-gritty, okay? Not everybody can make passive income. Passive income actually means that you don't have to be actively working to pull in an income. But the truth about passive income is you absolutely still have to work. You do, especially if it's a digital product. So the good thing about digital products are that you can make it one time, update it every, I don't know, few months, few years, depending on what your digital product is, and send it out and have that be on an evergreen, I don't know, funnel if you own a website, or if you sell it on a marketplace like Etsy. You can have it constantly out there getting traffic and getting sales all the time. A lot of people will make it look like it's very easy to make passive income. You have to have one of two things to start making passive income, okay? First thing that can help you start earning passive income is having money, having it already to invest in something right out of the gate. So a lot of us don't have that opportunity. I know I didn't. So the other thing that you need to have if you don't have the money is time. Well, if you're anything like me, I don't even have children, so I can't even imagine the parents out there, the single parents. You guys are my heroes because I don't know what I would do if I had a kid right now. But anyways, finding time to work on my side hustle, digital product business, was hard. It was really hard. I was working 40 plus hours. So I would have my weekends, you know, to do whatever I wanted to do. But let's be honest, our weekends are for resting as much as we can, if we can even rest. And the last thing I want to do is work more. But I wanted to be my own boss so bad and wanted to figure out this passive income life that I wanted to put in that time. I was okay with it. But let me tell you, it wasn't easy. I had to put in hours. And then I had to do research, and then I had to put my products out there and to see how they did. And if they didn't do well, I didn't give up. I just kept pushing it out, or I tried a different avenue of that same digital product, or I tried a different niche. I did a lot of testing this last year in 2020 to come up on here and expecting you guys just to follow exactly what I did, because it's going to be different for everybody. Everybody's going to have a completely different journey. All I can do is give you tips and advice on how I did it, but you know, it really comes down to the individual person and how much time or money they want to put into their passion project. You know, this was my passion project. I love graphic design. I love to draw. I've always been an artist. So a part of me always just wanted to retire from the 9 to 5 so that I could do what really fills my heart. If you are in a 9 to 5 grind, or if you're a stay-at-home mom and you want something for yourself, but I can also be real and say, hey, look, I know you don't have an extra 40 hours a week to put into this digital product business, right? But even if you can spend an hour a week, that's still closer than you were before. And eventually that grind and that hustle will lead you to success. You just can't give up. You have to be very consistent in this type of industry. Truthfully, it all comes down to mindset. If you create a product and it's a bust, don't give up. That's when you should lean in even more and look it up. It might not be the design or what you created. It might just be that it's in the wrong niche, or it's in the wrong place. It's in the wrong marketplace. You don't know unless you keep trying and you test it out. It's wonderful, but it's not entirely passive. You have to put in work, and you have to be consistent. I hope this video helped you guys today. I definitely do not want to make this to discourage you. I want to inspire you, but I also want to be real, because I don't want to give you false hope or false inspiration. I want to allow you to have a positive mindset going into something like this so that you know what to expect. Because I thought in the very beginning that it was going to be really easy, because that's what I saw other people talking about. It's really easy to make passive income. It's not. Let me know in the comments what you think. What has been your biggest hangups with your digital product business or online business at all, even if it's not digital product? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.